The nightingales are drunk, wine-red roses appear, and Sufis all around us, happiness is here. How firmly, like a rock, repentance stood. Look how a wineglass taps it, and it lies in pieces now. Bring wine from the sequestered court where we're secluded, drunk or sober, king or soldier, none will be excluded. This inn has 2 doors, and through one we have to go. What does it matter if the doorway's high or low? If there's no sorrow, there can be no happiness. And when the world was made, men knew this and said yes. Rejoice. Don't fret at being and non-being. Say that all perfection will be nothingness one day. The horse that rode the wind, Asif in all his glory, the language of the birds, are now an ancient story. They've disappeared upon the wind, and Solomon, the master of them all, has nothing now they've gone. Don't rise on feathered wings, don't soar into the skies. An arrow falls to earth, however far it flies. How will your pen give thanks, Hafez? Now men demand your verses everywhere, and pass them hand to hand.